Hi, this is Miss B from the Overton Library. I wish you could be here with me today, but since we can't all be together, I wanted to tell you a little bit about the library and what we can offer. For one thing, you see me sitting at my desk and I say, are you having computer trouble or do you need password changes? I can help. If you're looking for a good book to read, if you need to know how to find an ebook, we can help you with that. Also, if you get into a class and you're using databases or doing research, we can help you with all of those things. So I'm providing this slide to Mr. Stroud, and it has our email addresses on there, and you can feel free to contact us about anything. We also have a website, overtonlibrary.com, with lots of great information. One piece of information is the piece of paper you need to get your permit. And we have social media, so you can follow us on Twitter and Instagram and Facebook. Now, the moment you've all been waiting for, I wanted to tell you how to get into Lynda. I know some of you have had trouble with that. So your library card number is your 190 number, your student number that starts with 190. And your library card PIN is your birthday. So for example, if you were born in April 1st, April is the 4th month, so it would be 0401. So whatever month your birthday is, you have to add a 0 to it if it's not already have a 0 in front of it. And that is your 4-day library card PIN. Be sure to let me know if you have any questions, and I'm always here to answer them. Thanks.